My name's Dina De Habir and my role is Senior PMO Manager within Dubai Economy and Tourism. Dubai Economy and Tourism is responsible for all the activities within Dubai, including issuing of licenses, all our Dubai Festival retail events, including Dubai Shopping Festival. So we really selected Asana to be able to manage our projects more closely and better. We have a portfolio of over 200 projects, so Asana has really come in to make sure that we can be as effective as possible in delivering those projects. In the beginning, we had planned for 150 users to be using Asana, but due to the success, this has now grown to 450 users across the organisation. So roughly 50% of the organisation are using it. iDO were brought on as an Asana partner, and iDO have really helped us expedite the launch of Asana. So rather unbelievably, within the space of a month, we had fully developed and customized the product, and 1 month later, we were already delivering training. The main challenge I think most organisations face is it's a new tool. People are a bit resistant to trying it out and getting them on board, and the training has taken significantly longer. One, because of the size of the users that we're rolling out to, but also because a lot of them don't have necessarily the capability with using these types of tools before. I would definitely use an Asana partner, so an Asana delivery partner. And iDO, it's going to make the whole development easier for you and make sure that the product lands more smoothly with your licensed users. The other thing I would strongly recommend is that you have a very in-depth, comprehensive training plan, and that you have identified champions within the business that can really help to roll this out and support you. I think if we didn't have a solution partner, that development would have taken us a lot longer. Probably the licensed users would have got frustrated because we would have been learning as we were going along and making changes and continually making changes, which would have been hard for them. So I think having a delivery partner that can ensure all your requirements are built to your specification means that the rollout is going to be more successful, and of course it can be done in a shorter time period. Oh, that's a tough question. Well, it helps to have camaraderie between the team, and it's always nice to be delivering training with someone else. And, you know, for me, there's never a challenge too big for Richard. You know, for something that we thought, I would think that was really complicated, you know how to build it within an hour, and it's there.